Today we're taking you inside the most advanced tech factory on the planet, Apple's iPhone manufacturing plant. This is where thousands of iPhones are built every single day, with mind-blowing precision and cutting-edge robotic technology. First up, raw materials rolling into the facility. Microchips, camera modules, batteries, and glass panels are all prepped separately. Then come the robotic arms, placing chips on the motherboard, aligning cameras, and assembling internal components with millisecond-level accuracy. One of the most critical parts of an iPhone, the display glass, gets strengthened through an ion exchange process so it's super resistant to scratches and damage. Next is the final assembly line. Screens go on, batteries get installed, the software boots up for the first time. Everything fully automated. Finally, every single iPhone goes through rigorous quality testing. Camera, display, touch response, sensors, the whole 9 yards. And that's how the iPhone in your hand is born, step by step, using the world's most advanced factory technology.
And that's how the iPhone is made, from start to finish.